So my bike was it was fell down in here during the rain because the soft ground, if you can see there. I think everything is fine. I just think this one is probably got moved from here to here. This one is fine. Mirror was need to tighten up again. Let's go to the workshop first to fix the bike. I forgot to charge my my mic, so cannot use the mic today. Bang, wah sibuk ya. Hey bro. Morning. How you doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Good bro. Good. Hey man, Hendra.
Dylan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too man. Bro, motor gua jatuh bro pas di ini, pas hujan-hujan.
Oh.
Tinggal dimasukin sih.
Oh iya.
Everything else I think is fine.
But the ground is not concrete, yeah?
It's not concrete. I think it's this one stuck with someone's bike. Gantung gitu.
Ini nggak kayak kena ini di depan ya?
I think so. Mungkin this scratches as well.
Ini coplak ya? Nanti coba di benerin tuh coplak ini. Sininya lama.
Shit, kayaknya harus buka semua kali ya. Alright guys, this is why I try not to go to the workshop. Every time I go, I ended up fixing more things than planned. Today I only wanted to fix the brake light, but I ended up changing the spark plug too. And now I've upgraded the rail sprocket from 48 to 50T, hopefully to get more torque when carrying all my touring gear. Finger crossed for that one. I have been thinking about this, but I just feel like it's just gonna be a waste of money. But since I'm already here and the touring is just getting closer and making me nervous, so I just want to be prepared and just to get everything I can think of done, before I start the touring. Well, at this point, I still can't tell the difference. Hopefully, I can feel more torque when I go up to the mountain with full touring heavy load. And if you stay until this last bit of video, please let me know what do you think of this kind of vlog, because I notice most of you guys don't even read the commentary I put on. I probably will do this kind of vlogs sometimes if something going on with the bike, or just to sharing an update about the bike. So thank you for watching, and I see you guys on the next one. Peace out.